my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. Hey, my Jazzy Crew. How's everybody doing today? Your girl is doing amazing. Yes, y'all, your girl is doing amazing as always, y'all. Yes, y'all. So y'all listen. I should really just take, well, let's see if I should just take this down, really. Hey, there we go. I can get it. I don't feel like, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't want that up here today. I'm sorry. But then maybe I should because you won't be able to see the meal. So, maybe oh, wait a minute. Hey, babe. Come here for a second, please. You can pull this camera back for me because I don't feel like seeing this stuff. This is bothering me today. Like, I don't want that up there today. Go back some more. We got to move that. Move that little thing. And then just go back just a little bit more. Okay. So, yes, I'm sorry, y'all. So, listen. So, y'all, what I had prepared for you guys today. And listen, I'm sorry. So, we got that water. We got that water. We got that water, y'all. We got that H2O. Drink that water. But, y'all, so we got some good old veggies here. You know, some broccoli, carrots, all that good stuff with some tomatoes and cucumbers. And, you know, I got to have the red onions, y'all, okay? So, I had one of this thing like this yesterday, but I have a different kind today. Y'all, this is, and I know, Kicking It with Lynn and Auntie eating good, since y'all going through y'all meatless thing. I think you guys probably would like this. I found this in the over there with the salad. Just like you get those salad kits that we like. So I got this here. This one today that I have is a stir-fry kit. It's the coconut curry one. Okay, and the sauce and stuff includes with it. So y'all try this out if you like. I don't know. They got all different kinds. So I had the one yesterday. It was very good. It was the teriyaki kind. And today I got the coconut curry one. And so I haven't tasted yet. But I added some more broccoli in mine. And of course, you know, I got, like I said, I got some red bell peppers. I got some purple onions and some cucumbers. Y'all also, I thought this was the same thing that Miss Lolly, All Things Lolly, had yesterday. I watched her video. She had some mango mild or something. I don't know, but I have the mango salsa, the mild one. So y'all gonna try that out on here. And I know I was watching Miss Eating Good, one of her old videos. I can't even get this out of here. And with her grandson. And she had something like this, some mango something too. Alrighty, so let's see here. Oh my goodness. Hey Eric, I can literally cannot get this off of here. I wouldn't have called you if I could get this off of here, but I can't get this top off of here. So y'all, how's everybody doing today? Y'all good? Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to be trying some of this on top. Yep. Something different. That's pretty good, y'all. Y'all try that. And it's the mild one. Let's get into this because your girl hungry. It's pretty hot too. That's pretty good, y'all. So, y'all, let me say hello to the Fat Fabulous Women. Hello to Miss Eating Good, that Hood Girl too, Kicking It with Lynn, and it's Veggies World. And, of course, y'all know other than your girl Jazzy V. Y'all also check out my lady Mama Judy cooking with your girl Judy. Go over and check out Cooking with Judy Caldwell, y'all. She's not a banger, but she's a cooking videos, and she get down with the get down. Okay, go check her out as well. And also, let me say, if you've been here already, welcome back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're new here to my channel, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way you can be notified every time your girl Jazzy V posts a video. Come on over and be part of the Jazzy Crew family. We would love to have you, okay? We do not mind company coming over and be part of the family as well. Yes. Now this right here is good. I was going to do, I know y'all like, girl, please. I was going to do the ASMR channel, but I thought maybe let me do something. Well, got it right here, but, and then the mic that I have, it has to be plugged into my phone. And so, when it's plugged in my phone, I can't put my phone into my tripod thing the way it is. So it be kind of like crooked. I'm like, some kind of wait. I'm gonna wait and try to figure out how I can do it without the. I'm gonna figure it out because I want to do it. And that one video that Miss Lolly did, All Things Lolly did, that ASMR video she did good, and you can hear every bit of the crunch and everything. Oh, it was amazing. She had it going on that video. She did. You can hear everything. When she ate that corn, when she ate them tortillas, it was all good. It was all good. So your girl done switched up on her little hairstyle for a second until I get it cut, which will be soon though. But I like switching up on my hairstyle, so I'll be wearing this for probably about maybe 4 or 5 days, maybe, real soon. Now, I'm supposed to be going well, I ain't supposed to be, I am going. Me and my husband's going horseback riding with my niece. It's her birthday. So, yeah. So, we're going to go to the mall and get us some little cowboy boots and stuff or whatnot, some cowboy, to ride the horse. Because I looked up, what would be the good thing to wear, And it said wear some, comfortable stuff, but make sure you wear shoes with a heel. And don't wear anything that can get caught up in or nothing like that. So, but I rode a horse before. But I'm excited about that. Now, All Things Lolly, I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but she had asked me mention of Miss Judy Caldwell, y'all listen. She also yesterday I had mentioned in my video yesterday about how Hood Play went and just watched my playlist over and over. Miss Judy Caldwell did the same thing. So let me give a shout out. Well, I always give her a shout out, but thank you, Miss Judy Caldwell, too. Because you mentioned that in my one of my videos. You mentioned in a comment about that. So thank you, too. Mm-mm-mm. I was watching, I tell you, I got some videos to catch up. It's hard to catch back up, man, I tell you. But, if I still have to go watch a lot of my Miss Eating Goods videos. I seen the nephew one. I didn't get to watch the whole thing of it. But when not her nephew, her grandson, when her grandson prayed, he sounded just like her. And that's good that they like that. Cause that's how it starts at home. The intelligence in them. Yep. Handsome grandson. So also, I was going out of town to see my mom, and because of my nephew's birthday. But change of plans. Won't be doing that one. Because the COVID-19 still is coming stronger. And I thought I was going to be driving down there with my niece, but that's not happening. So I'm not going to get on that bus, because if I have to catch the bus, I'm not flying either, because I'm scared to fly by myself. I'm scared to fly, period. But I'm not getting on that bus riding 9 hours there with a mask on my face. I ain't going to be able to do that one. I've been up kill myself, can't breathe, because I'll be scared to take off my mask on that bus. You know? So, we just said, don't worry about it. It'll be alright. I'm going to send him a deal and keep it personal. Because he understands what's going on out here in this world. Now that one I'm not going to do. This is so good. And now, also, Miss Eating Lynn, Kicking It with Lynn and Miss Eating Good, ain't it? Y'all listen. With this dish here, even though I know y'all doing the meatless, but still, like, if you decide you want to eat some meat, because, I mean, you strong black, y'all strong, and y'all strong, y'all beast if y'all go them 30 days, honey. And Miss Lynn said she's done that before, so she's good, okay? But you can, if you decide to eat some meat, you can get one of these here, y'all. And you can add your shrimps in there. You can add your chicken, your beef. You can add whatever type of meat you want in there. You know what I'm saying? So, just thought I'd put that out there. Well, also, I just want to say, you ladies is going to do an awesome job on your weight loss journey. Trust me, you're going to do amazing. Because believe me when I say, it ain't easy. For me. Let me say for me. It might look easy, but you got to push yourself. And you're talking about as for me. I have to push myself. Otherwise, I wouldn't do nothing. I wouldn't exercise. I'd be a big old thing. Big old polar bear. Like my husband told me this morning, or a couple of hours ago, or whatever. Looking like you're pregnant. Like you was pregnant. Like you could have a baby. Mm-hmm. This is good, y'all. I put a little bit of soy sauce on here. And what is that at? I put a little something else in here to make it oh well. I forgot what it is. But anyway, it's good though. Yeah, I don't know if I did mention it yesterday, cause yeah. I think I did. I think I did. They're full too. And I only had like 5 shrimp, but they look like the jumbo ones. This is always delicious. I probably could on just the ASMR video and break it out. Especially with these crunchy vegetables. Really, I didn't know it was going to be that crunchy like that. It would have been just fine for an ASMR video. It's so good. Oh well. But oh well. I tell you, these people, they are out, the mukbang community. They are out there they bringing them challenges. You hear me? Listen. They bringing them challenges out. I can't do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. They look fun and stuff, but I ain't gonna be able to do it. They eating a whole pizza. You gotta eat a whole pizza in what? 15 minutes, I think. Also, what's another challenge they did? I can't think of it now, but they got some charges out here, y'all. Hey, Trayvon, he got the nuggets. Oh, he got the 2 times spicy nuggets, I want to say. You got to eat those in a certain amount of time, I think. Yeah, I put some extra broccoli in here. I added some extra broccoli. This is ooh, so good. And it's fulfilling, y'all. I'm telling you, check it out. It's fulfilling. It's enough. You can add some more, you know, whatnot. Now, if it's just, if you're going to fix some for your family, you're going to need more than one bag. But it's just me eating this. And then I ain't gonna be able to go walking because I thought I was gonna be able to go walk. But I guess I covered myself this morning because I went walking this morning for 2 hours. I walked for 2 hours. I don't like that one. Ugh. I walked for 2 hours straight, y'all. Well, yeah. I left my house here at exactly 6:10. I got back home, excuse me, at 8. A little bit, yeah, 8 actually, yep. And actually, I did a little jogging too, so I walked and jogged. I mean, I walked. And if it wasn't about to rain, it is about to rain. And the wind is blowing and all that. I said I wasn't going to go past that time, and I did. Oh, well. It'll be all right. Now, I seen all things lollies do that, challenge, a no talking challenge for like 15 minutes. You can't talk, you can't laugh, you can't smile, you can't do nothing for 15 minutes. And I was like, I was gonna try that, but I don't know. I might mess up. She did good. She did not talk or smile at all. She so didn't. She did good. That was good. Literally. Now, I got full, but I ain't that kind of full where I'm stuffed and got to go lay down. No, not that kind of. See, I don't never want to do that kind. I used to do that kind. I used to eat, get so full till I couldn't do nothing but go to sleep. Lay down, go to sleep, and get fat. Can't do that today. Won't do that today. Will not do that today, okay? No, I won't. Now, salute to all the other ones that do. I ain't liking you for what y'all do. I just think. All right, y'all. So, this is it. The drug will get up out of here. I was trying to stop at 20, but it didn't. That's okay. Mm-mm. Mm. Now, tomorrow, when I come on here to do my video before I shut down, I have a challenge for you ladies, okay? And I will let you know what the challenge is tomorrow, okay? So, I hope you watch this video tomorrow. If you don't watch this one to the end, watch my tomorrow video all the way to the end so you can hear the challenge. Hear what the challenge is. And I hope you ladies is okay with that. With this challenge. And it's for the 5 fabulous women. And then the 5 fabulous women, when you do it, you challenge someone else. Or just challenge one person. And that's it. That was good. That was good. That was good. Mm-hmm. 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 That's what I wait till. This sauce was good. Mm-hmm. Okay. This is it. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, this is it. I'm done. Again, y'all, don't forget to check out the 5 Fabulous Women. And that is Eating Good, That Hood Girl 2, Kicking It with Lynn, and It's Benji's World, and no other than your girl, who? Jazzy V. Now, y'all, listen. Again, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, Jazzy V, okay? If you already been here, again, welcome back. And if you're new, I hope you subscribe, like, and comment, and come back and be a part of the Jazzy Crew family, okay? Also, don't forget to do what? Ring that bell. Ring that bell. Hey, ring that bell. Ring that bell, y'all, so that way you can be notified each and every time your girl Jazzy V posts a video, okay? And with that being said, peace, love,